Good tropical morning. We're in the last week of July and the garden is looking really good. I wanted to make a quick video about a mystery plant, the Cordyline. We're in a zone 8A. These are not supposed to be hardy here. If you read any information on these plants, they're only supposed to be hardy to zone 9. There's a lot of misinformation with these plants, as there seems to be with a whole bunch of tropical and exotic plants. These are only supposed to be hardy to zone 9. They're supposed to be killed once you get down into the low 20s. However, these Cordyline australis that are right here, I know there's quite a few in this area that have taken at least 17 degrees, and I think even colder. There are some that have been around for years and are almost as tall as me, so I don't think they're fully hardy here in zone 8A. I think if a bad winter comes along, it'll put them down. But I do believe they are way more hardy than they're given credit for. Also, there's debate as to whether or not those are actually Cordyline australis. Some people argue over what australis really is. I don't know, don't care. That's what they're called, so that's what I'll call them. This plant here, which looks exactly like a Cordyline, except it's green, it's not a Cordyline. It's a Dracaena indivisa. Well, actually, it is also a Cordyline. There are just two different Latin names, which maybe is part of why there's so much confusion about these plants. So these are also only supposed to be zone 9 plants, but there are a bunch in this area that have been around for years and are way taller than me. So I think these are significantly more hardy than the purple or the red form. There's also a lot of conflicting information as to the size of these things. Most of the ones that you see around here, their crown is probably 3 feet across, maybe a little less. And yeah, like I said, probably a little bit taller than me, probably 7 or 8 feet tall. This one is 48 inches across and 3 feet tall. So if you read online, they're only supposed to get up to 18 inches across, or 24 on some websites. So this one is grown in just about full shade. It's shaded out by Doug firs and that Camellia japonica and the banana. So I think it's spread out because it's in so much shade, but I think it looks really good. But what I don't know is just how big these get, and I also don't know how hardy they are. So if you know some good information about these, please let me know. Thanks.